It is time to release my first preset for Premiere Pro, and it's for free. The preset pack will contain 15 text animations that you can use however you want. It's free. Use it. Don't resell it, but use it. So let's check them out, and I will show you a little step-by-step on how to install them. The download link will be in the description below. This will be the page. I will add the video to it, and you can start using it. Plug and play. Sound effects are not included. Sorry. To install said preset pack, what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna go to presets under the effect. If you don't see the effect, go to window and press effect. Right click, choose import preset and choose the preset. Then hit open, and there we go. To use said presets, either drag them directly to the text layer or drag them to a adjustment layer above. You will see the keyframes here. You can just select them and adjust them if needed. Pop. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this. Leave a like if you did. Leave a dislike if you didn't. Subscribe. It helps me out. Knowing that people like the stuff. I don't get paid to do this yet. I'm just me. See you next time. Bye.